It's only right that I record myself saying this, because I'm the only one that knows right now that I'm pregnant. It's crazy to say. Joe's on his way, and Cookie is getting ready to deliver the news to him. Are you ready? You ready to deliver important news? So we just came back from the ultrasound and found out that the baby is 6 weeks and 1 day old. So it's the size of a sweet pea apparently, which is really cute.
Is that the hairpin? Ready? All right.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So here we are, folks. You've been asking us for years now when your average baby would be coming.
June 2020.
There we go. Stamp it. It's finally happening, guys.
Yeah, and it's kind of weird to share it on the channel, but if you've been around for a long time, you know that we share every important event, like our engagement, our wedding, the purchase of our first home, so
you guys are
this has to
family.
make the cut.
You guys are family. So we're adding one more to the crew, and like I said, June 2020.
The average baby's coming soon.
And we feel like this is the perfect video to start the new year. Now, we haven't been posting for a little while, and that's because we've been a bit busy. As you guys can see, there's some content we've been working on that you haven't seen yet, but we will be posting all of that stuff over on our new Instagram account. That'll pretty much cover our journey with our new baby coming.
We call it Sweet Pea.
Yeah, that's the name we've been calling it because that's the size it was when we found out that we were having it.
Yeah, and we're also gonna post the picture of the ultrasound so you guys can guess the gender, see if you guys get it right.
So check it out, links down below in the description. But I'm excited because this opens up a whole new world of tech for me to check out that never really applied to me before. Like, I'm not gonna lie, guys.
We already bought one. We're so excited.
We already started, you know? We're not waiting. This is the Owlet Smart Sock and Camera. So we're gonna be tracking our baby's biometrics, and you know, we're gonna be able to keep an eye on it at all times, check the air quality level, heart rate, all that good stuff.
Oh, we actually got this for Kevin the Tech Ninja. He's another YouTuber for his baby. And ever since we saw that, we're just like, okay, when we have our baby, we're gonna get one of these too, because it seems like a really good device.
So there'll be this amongst many more things that we're gonna be trying out. We're really, really pumped. I'm pumped.
I am too.
But don't just follow the family Instagram account, follow us as well. Your Average Consumer, Your Average Girlfriend. We'll have those linked down below. You guys can see some of the behind the scenes of me picking out some of the tech for the baby, and Ari, everything.
I'll be showing
baby.
my bumps and everything.
No, she won't. No, she won't. Well, maybe, I don't know, but
Yeah, probably.
whatever. And we're even going to Japan tomorrow, so that's gonna be really interesting. So if you guys are interested in seeing how that all plays out, be sure to follow us.
It's gonna be so good.
Yeah.
So good.
And we'll check you guys out in future videos. The tech is coming right back after this, so follow along. All right, guys, till next time, peace. Welcome, Sweet Pea, soon to be.
I almost feel like I should stand up and show my bump.
No, relax, sit down. Oh God.